permanent magnet synchronous motors such as lead acid, lithium battery, and small high speed. The wiring harness workshop has many advanced equipment, such as terminal crimping machine, automatic terminal crimping machine, wire cutting machine, testing machine, etc., providing high-quality wiring harness products for various types of electric vehicles. The frame and body design of every electric vehicle in the frame workshop have been professionally calculated and strictly tested to ensure its excellent load-bearing capacity. The workshop adopts advanced automatic laser cutting equipment, numerical control pipe bending equipment, stamping machines, etc., to ensure that the frames do not deform or break after passing strict vibration detection, and the safety performance is guaranteed. The paint baking workshop adopts advanced paint baking technology, and after multiple processes such as pickling, phosphating, electrophoresis, 3 times spraying and 3 times baking, etc., to ensure that the vehicle body is not oxidized and corroded and improve the aesthetic effect and durability. The assembly workshop is an important link from the frame to the whole vehicle assembly. Every working procedure here has gone through intelligent blanking and mechanized production, and standardized and unified assembly line to ensure the standardization and consistency of products. The Equipment Testing Center has various professional equipment, such as frame vibration testing stand, shock absorber testing stand, salt spray corrosion testing chamber, etc., which has realized the revolutionary transformation of urban environment.